But today, ang pag-uusapan natin is the titanium package. Etong titanium package mga kaibigan ay may dalawang options. Option A and option B. And take note, lahat ng mga options ng titanium ay may kasama siyang 1 million accident insurance. At kahit lahat po siya is worth more than 130,000 pesos, ang babayaran mo lang dito is only 123,000 pesos. Good news for you mga kaibigan, because the Royal Premium Plus program has given you 18 ways of earnings and incentives. Take note ulitin ko, 18 ways of earnings and incentives. So number 1, let's talk about the retailing program. Pag sinabing retailing program mga kaibigan, you being a distributor of Royal, you can get the products in our offices or whether in our branches at a discounted price. At pagkatapos, ibebenta nyo na sila sa labas ng SRP. So with that alone, meron na kayong tinatawag na retail profit. And all you have to do is to form 2 sets of group. Group A and Group B. And every time sa Group A, may nabebentang titanium package. And every time si B, may nabebentang titanium package, magmamatch ho yan. And the company will now give you an additional 8,000 pesos. And can you imagine, habang parami ng parami ang group mo, parami ng parami ang titanium packages ng left and right group mo, parami ng parami din ang inyong 8,000 pesos. And the best part, yung pinag-usapan natin a while ago was only the package pairing. This time, product pairing naman. You heard me right, all our Korean products, automatic lahat yun, magpe-pair yun. So every time your Group A uses a product, and Group B uses a product, magmamatch din yun. And the company will still give you additional bonus. Now remember, you have purchased the titanium package. Ang kinagandahan ng package na binili ninyo is that, remember, meron ho kayong naimbitahan. Ibig sabihin ngayon, you will also get another commission. And we call that the override bonus. Ano ba yung override bonus? Ang ibig sabihin nito, lahat ng kikitain income ng inyong mga naimbitahan, yung cheque nila, ulitin ko yung cheque, hindi ang benta. Ang cheque nila, base sa match bonus, meron ka pang commission doon na 5%. Now, imagine mo mga kaibigan, kung yung naimbitahan mo ay kumita ng 100,000, may commission ka pang 5,000 pesos. Kung ang cheque naman nila is 200,000, may commission ka namang 10,000 pesos. On top, doon sa kinita mo na sa benta nila. And now, for the next income, we call it the unilevel income. Ano ba itong unilevel income? Mga kaibigan, ang unilevel income, ibig sabihin, may kikitain ka pang 5% sa lahat ng taong bumibili ng products within your organization. And remember, you have purchased the titanium package. And because titanium package ang iyong account, you will now be entitled for the windfall profit. Ano ba yung windfall profit? Windfall profit, ang ibig sabihin niya mga kaibigan is that every time you get to sell 4 titanium packages, take note, 4 titanium packages, you will have a direct referral of 10,000 each, which is 40,000 pesos. On top of that, meron ka ring sales match bonus worth 16,000 pesos. And on top of that, the windfall profit, the company will now give you 100,000 pesos. And take note, this windfall profit has no time frame. Isn't that exciting? And take note mga kaibigan, yung pinag-usapan natin ngayon is the windfall bonus. Pero meron din tinatawag na sponsors bonus. Yung naimbitahan mo ang nag-windfall. At dahil yung naimbitahan mo nag-windfall, kumita siya ng 100,000, at dahil nakita ng kumpanya, ikaw ang nag-imbita sa kanya, the company will give you 5,000 pesos. Isn't that exciting mga kaibigan? But guess what? There's more. Because with Royal mga kaibigan, with this Premium Plus program, meron din tayong mga 3 klaseng incentives. Number 1, we have the luxury shopping incentives. Number 2, we have the travel incentives. At number 3, we also have the car incentives. So now mga kaibigan, with all the incomes na makukuha nyo kay Royal and also the incentives, you think you got it all? Not yet. Because now, I'm going to present to you the ZAM Realty. Ano ba yung Zam Realty mga kaibigan? It is a real estate company na sister company po ng Royal, owned by the Castañeda family, and this property is located less than an hour away from Subic. Being a Royalista, you now have the chance to own a property of your own. And at the same time, with this mga kaibigan, every time you get to sell the property, may commission ka ng cash, and at the same time, may commission ka pang packages from Royal. Isn't that exciting? Royal is like a one-stop shop for your health, wellness, beauty, and at the same time, property. A house for every Filipino. So mga kaibigan, with all the things that you've heard, are you not excited? Are you not more ecstatic to join this wonderful company, Royal? So if I were you mga kaibigan, remember this always. A journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. So take the step one, move forward, and together, let us achieve our dreams through the power of Royal. To God be the glory, guys.